stirring in my soul. I feel it again, feel it again, feel it again, feel it again. Unlock the cage and free my heart. This is where the journey starts. Now I begin.
Hello, I'm Nurse April. Happy birthday, Elise. Sana maging good girl ka sa paglaki mo. And then sana huwag ka makakalimot sa mga nurses na nag-alaga sa'yo since birth. Yun lang. God bless.
Rolling on like the thunder with open eyes full of wonder.
Elise, I'm Tita Joyce mo sa NICU. Since nung nasa NICU ka, super fighter, tsaka hindi ka lang miracle baby, kundi isa kang strong baby. So hanggang sa paglaki mo, sana maalala mo pa rin kami na kami ang unang nag-alaga sa'yo, nagpalit ng diaper at nagpaligo. Yun lang, Baby Elise.
Nurse Juna, hi! From NICU Department. Ayan. So, happy first birthday, Elise. So, sana hindi mo kami makalimutan hanggang sa paglaki mo. Ang wish ko lang is you stay healthy. Sana wag kang bumalik sa hospital. For the better naman, for the better. Okay? So, we're just happy that you just invited us on your first birthday. Ayan. Happy birthday, Elise!
God-fearing, be a good girl, and love your mama, daddy, kuya, lola, lolo, tita, at tito, at mga pinsan, kasin. Come on.
Ayun, nasabi niya.
Okay lang.
Happy birthday, Elise. Wish you good health. At saka sana paglaki mo, magmamait ka, masunurin, magalang. Magalang sa magulang, sa lola, lolo, sa lahat. Alam ko naman magiging mabait kang dada. I love you. Happy birthday. God bless.
Now's the time, today's the day. Now it begins, now it begins. Now it begins, now it begins. This is gonna be a good day. Rolling on like the thunder with open eyes full of wonder. It's a good day. It's a good day to be alive.
Happy birthday, Elise. Hindi mo man ito maalala sa paglaki mo, mapapanood mo naman. Well, ang wish namin is sana lumaki kang maayos at masunurin, lalo-lalo na may takot sa Diyos. Thank you sa pagdating mo, sa mga challenges na binigay mo. Pinatatag mo kami, lalo na yung mommy mo, as in, grabe, struggle is real. Pero, thank you so much dahil you're one of the reason why I'm here and I love you!
Happy birthday, Elise. Love na love ka ni Mami at ni Daddy. Alam mo yan. Kahit na puyat si Mami mo sa'yo. Saka si Daddy ay doble kayod para sa'yo. Para kay Mami and Dad. Kay Enzo. Ayun. Love you na. Love na love ka namin. Tatandaan mo lagi yan.
Happy birthday, Elise.
I love you.
Love you.